Hey, we're here with my patient Steve, who's flown in from out of town. And it's okay to use your face, right? You've done a bunch of other videos.
Right, yeah.
And you're an interesting character because you had a couple of hair transplants done before we got a hold of you. And then we did a case on you about 5.5 years ago. Right. And you called me, by my memory, one morning. It was cold, probably late January.
Right.
And you'd been hit by a landing airplane in the Caribbean.
Yes.
And one of our associated videos with you, now maybe if I can find it, I'll put it up on this. We have cockpit video of the pilot going, "What did we hit?" And it was your head.
Right. He bounced off my head.
Right. And you filleted your head open, and they sewed you up. You're the only guy that got hit by a plane and lived. Right? That's what you told me.
Are you now?
It's on the island. Can I say what island's on?
It's St. Bart's.
St. Bart's, yeah. And knowing that you were coming in today, my wife and I were looking at YouTube videos, and people watching this should just search plane landings at St. Bart's. You'll see exactly where Steve was standing when he got hit.
There's a fence there now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they put a fence.
And so you came back and we patched you up, and then we did another little case last year, which is not fully grown yet because it's been a year.
It's exactly 12. Yeah, exactly.
A year today.
12 months.
And on this, with a head like yours, it'll be 5 or 6 more months until it's finished.
Yeah, it's been a year and a half.
But you stay in shape and you got an active social life. Have you been happy with what I've done for you?
Oh, sure, right. If I've been here 4 times, it better be.
And you came in today just for a little bump on the back of your head.
Yes,
take off.
I was left over. Actually, I think it was from the first transplant from somebody else that I had a long time ago that they screwed it up and caused
maybe,
some bumps.
Or maybe it was just luck. Who knows? Yeah. Anything you want to tell these characters that might be watching this?
It's worth the trouble, and it's best to do it right. If you can go more than once and you need it, do it.
All right. Thanks, Steve, and keep your head down. Stay.